Welcome and thank you for watching. Today in this video, I'm going to go over why I quit my digital marketing agency that ended this year generating $460,000 gross and why I decided to go into an HVAC business. The reason why I quit my digital agency, the reason is because I saw a problem. There's a big problem out there with contractors. A lot of contractors that I see have one issue, and that issue is finding a lead generation service or a way to generate more leads so that they can get more business. I've been doing this for 3 years in the digital marketing space, and I've seen this thing multiple times. I had a message tell me that I just needed to jump into the field and better understand what an HVAC contractor was going into. So back in 2024, my agency worked with a lot of HVAC contractors, and that was our niche during the summertime. We ended up getting around 12 clients, and one of our biggest case studies was an HVAC contractor generating $210,000 only off mini splits. My goal for today is just week by week show you guys how someone that just does digital marketing transitions into an HVAC business owner. I do believe that the future is going to be full of trades and that the trades will not go anywhere. Homes will still need to be maintenance and service. Hence why I'm betting big on the trades industry or the blue collar industry. But I personally saw an issue in the trades niche, and that big issue was generating leads, finding someone reliable to generate leads. Ultimately, my goal is to teach all HVAC contractors how they can generate more business, more leads without paying for an agency. Now, if you like your agency and you love having an agency, no problem. There's always a benefit to outsource that work to someone that really knows and understands what they're doing. But I'm talking to those trades that are making $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 a year that can't afford a big digital agency to give them more marketing so that they get more leads. We had a client that, they made around $500,000 annually, and we tried running Facebook ads for them, and this was a solo man show. He didn't have a team, it was just him, and we couldn't quite scale him just because of the lack of team and things he needed. So basically, in conclusion, the reason why I quit is to solve a big problem and to teach contractors like yourself how to generate more leads and grow your business organically without paying for a digital agency. This is a task that you can do yourself. This is a task that you can give to your DSR. This is a task that you can pay an assistant to do, or you can go on Fiverr or Upwork and give someone that. But the goal is to generate leads. So to recap real quick, I quit Rapid Media Co. I'm no longer the owner of that digital agency. I am now 33% owner of an HVAC company called Premier Home Services Heating and Air. It was first a handyman service company, but I'm going to make it an HVAC company. That is now my company, and I'm 33% owner of it. We have a sister company where I'm learning from, and he's my mentor. His name's Lucas. He's the owner of LNF Services, and he's been doing this for 2 decades. And he has been running his business at a high 60 to 70% net margins, doing almost zero advertising. Now, we have been generating leads since December 1st, meaning we are paying Facebook to give us leads. And in that, we've already closed a few deals. Now, a lot of the leads we get are from home warranty companies. We get a lot of leads from customers that come back to us because of those home warranty calls. And we generate leads using Google My Business and Facebook ads. We really don't prioritize SEO because my personal belief is that the Google My Business is the best thing you can do for your local business. Trust me, SEO is a great investment. It's good for a lot of people to do, but it just takes too long, and I want jobs now. So what I'm doing to get jobs now is Facebook ads, Google My Business listings, and I'm also reaching out to old customers via SMS text messages using the House Call Pro automations and our Go High Level automations. So this is what week 1 looked like. On Monday, the first thing we did is train. We trained with everyone and we went over quizzes. So what we do at LNF Services, the sister company, is we want to continue to educate our contractors and workers there. So we're training our team. We're training our team on easy stuff, right? For example, what's a relay switch, compressor, right? Just simple stuff. How do you clean a drain pipe, right? Just simple stuff like that. It's good to be educating your team. My first tip for you, if you're trying to grow your business and grow your team and really want to have a strong foundation, you have to educate your team first. Now, let's talk about warranty calls. There's a reason why people don't like warranty calls. You don't like warranty calls because you don't get a lot of money. That is true, but remember, I'm gonna use a baseball analogy. If you've seen Moneyball, you're gonna understand this. And if you haven't seen Moneyball, I recommend that you watch it, but we want to touch the base as many times as possible. We're not shooting for home runs. We want to get on bases as much as possible, hence the warranty calls. The home warranty calls allows us to get into as many homes as possible with all our contractors and make a good impression and upsell and secure a deal. Whether it's a $16 membership program or a $2,400 indoor air quality system or a new ductwork project, we want to upsell. And not everyone's gonna bite. On Tuesday, we went on 3 warranty calls and we had 0 bites, and that's fine. You know, a lot of times right now, a lot of people don't want to spend money right now. They just got done with the holidays. We're waiting for taxes. It's currently January 11th. It is fine. Our goal is to continue to follow up with these people and grow the business. So that's what we did on Monday. Let's fast forward to Tuesday. We went to a house and it was just a part of our maintenance agreement. $16 a month and we take care of the unit. If you don't have a maintenance agreement, I highly recommend you build one. We're charging $16 a month so that we give our customers priority service, discount off full price of units, and also buy yearly maintenance. This was one of those calls. I felt like I needed to make this video to show you guys what we're doing here and to show you how, you know, someone that knows nothing about HVAC on how I'm growing this company and how I'm, you know, being successful with this company. So far we've been, I've been in 7 houses. We've given 2 estimates, no closed deals, and we sold, let's see, Braden actually sold a week before I came. Braden sold a 1,115 repair to a Facebook lead. So our average cost per lead right now is sitting on average around $20. I'll show you what I'm doing here on Facebook ads, but I'm gonna make another video on what our Facebook ad structure looks like so that you guys can apply this to your business and so that you guys can learn off this. Again, I wanna give all this information for you for free. We do have a mastermind. I'm not pushing that right now because I still want to get my wheels under myself here. But if you want to learn more information about it, make sure to comment, follow me on Instagram. It is Brandon Gets You Leads, and I hope you guys have a good one. Remember, my goal is to grow this company from someone that knows nothing about HVAC to someone that is a master at HVAC and growing businesses. Have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.